Which one came first? The chicken or the egg? Let's go way back in time to find out. If you guessed the egg, you're right. But hold on, it's not this egg. Chickens weren't around yet. We're talking reptile and dinosaur eggs, and even stranger ones from the oceans over 500 million years ago. How do we know? Scientists dig up fossils deep in rock layers, and the deeper they find them, the older they are. So yes, the egg came first. That answers this ages-old question everybody has. See you again for more animated science videos.